Meaning of forcible.
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 Forcible. The word forcible refers to something that is done by force or with great physical strength. When something is done in a forcible manner, it often involves the use of violence or coercion to achieve a certain outcome. This can result in physical harm, emotional distress, or damage to property. The use of force is generally seen as an aggressive and sometimes dangerous approach to achieving goals, and it is often frowned upon by society as a whole. Overall, the term forcible carries a negative connotation and suggests a lack of peaceful resolution to a problem.